Hello there, it's Anna here. I just wanted to share this album or folio and a box I made using the Peach Tea, yes I believe that's called, the collection by Prima Marketing. I have had this collection for quite some time and for some reason I've just been looking at it, not using it, so I thought, get to it, use it up. So I created this folio and a box, which is a tutorial by Paper Phenomenon, and I used this gorgeous paper, and I love those little hints of shimmer here and there on the paper. Absolutely love that. This is decorated at the front, and here at the top, let's fly sky high. Then here is Chipboard, it's just peachy every day with you. And I cut this image out from the pattern papers, and then I added several flowers that I had in my collection. These are all Prima flowers, but they're quite also almost certain that they don't sell them anymore, but they're pretty nonetheless. And a butterfly here, and this is actually a pocket, a see-through pocket, so you can see the pattern underneath. But this happens to be the same pattern paper because I just love it. So I created this little booklet of sorts, and a few journaling spots and tuck spots. You can use however you please, and on the back side as well, or you can use these on the inside as well, does not matter. And this box is decorated with the pattern paper all the way back and front. And let's open it up. And the inside is also covered in pattern paper. We have the box, and here is the folio itself. I used this gorgeous pattern paper. I mean, there are so many beautiful images in this collection, and I love being able to showcase pattern paper without the fuss, because this adds so much with a little effort. Love that. And the back side, beautiful. Oh, I love these sparkly bits. Let's open it up, and it opens like so. So the first off here, you have two large pockets. You have this very large photo mat, and then you have another even larger. This one measures, the larger one, 7 3/4 by 4.5. So loads of space. Of course, use the photo mat or journaling spot, does not matter. And then you open it up again, you have the folio open. So each of the sides is the same way. So here you have 3 pockets. You have a large journaling card or photo mat in each. And then there's a pocket behind. And this is a great place to keep photos, memorabilia or whatnot. And I just created several smaller photo mats. Or journaling spots can be used however you please, of course. And there's plenty of space here to put more photos, so don't you worry about that. So lots of space. And this one here. Oops, put that up. Then you have here in the middle a large pocket to keep photos and memorabilia. And here I created larger photo mats. Here you have this one, and this one is 4.5 by 6.5. So it can be a photo mat, journaling spot or whatnot. This is of course a great way to put journaling on. So as you can see, there's plenty of space for more photos or journal. And these just close up like that, and again, and are held closed with these elastic bands. So that's my little album in a folio using the Peach Tea collection by Prima. Thanks so much for stopping by.